So, multimeters are used for lots of different things. To measure voltage, to measure AC voltage, to measure current, to measure some other things, I don't know what that is, to measure resistance and continuity. This multimeter has lots of different functions. This is a more expensive one. This is my first one that's fairly cheap. And I opened it up, and this is what's on the inside. Yeah. So multimeters have 3 sockets at the bottom. So they have, I'll take these out, common, volt resistance and milliamps, and then you have the 10 amp one. So usually, or always, your black lead will be in common, and then most of the time your red lead will be in the volt and amp and milliamp and resistant one, because most of the time you're just going to be measuring voltage. But when you want to measure current, you take this out and you put it into the 10 amp one. Now, I don't have anything to measure with the 10 amp to measure current on at the moment, but I do have some wires and batteries that we can test the resistance and continuity and voltage on. So, first thing, I'm going to just take these out, put that to the side and turn it on. So let's put it to 20 volts. Now, 20 volts DC. So you always want to have it, the voltage that's the next one higher. So this is a 9-volt battery, as you can see there. But there is no 9, it's 2 and then 20. So you want to make sure that it's on 20. Otherwise, all it will say is over limit. So now that it's on 20, let's stick the red lead into the negative and the black lead into the negative and the red lead into the positive. Now you can see there that this battery has been used, so it actually has 7 volts. I do have a battery that should be way closer because it's brand new. So as you can see, it's a bit over 9 volts because it's brand new. Now we can test the resistance of a wire. So you want to change it to whatever resistance setting. I'm just going to put it on the highest. Then you want to, I'm going to get my alligator clips and clip them onto the probes and the wire. And we'll turn that off for a second. So here, clip the black one on, let's turn it on. And apparently, yeah, so this has incredibly low resistance. So let's go to 20. See if we, nothing. Let's go down, down. So we get, on 200, we get 0.6 or 7. Now if I was just to connect the bare leads, so the lead straight from it, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use these to clamp it on. Then the other one here, connect that in. 5. So as you can see, there's a low resistance because it's less wire. So now continuity, you can test, like if you have, you can like test if your wire is connected to the right place. So we'll stick that in there. Or we can go like this. So this one has a buzzer. So yeah. Now, like on, if you wanted to test if your relay wasn't marked or something, this is a short circuit kit that I just built from J-Car. I have a video on it, go check it out. So if you wanted to test if your relay, if it wasn't marked but you didn't know which one it was, but you knew the middle one was common because it always is. So then you can connect that to the red. Then you can go, if you want to find the one that's closed when the relay is off, which is obviously that one. And then if we were to switch it around, it's not that one. So hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something new. Definitely go and check these out. If you're a beginner to electronics, I really suggest them. They're really good. I do have a couple of videos coming out with them. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.